Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Growing on Substack in 2026 requires a strategic approach that combines consistent content with smart promotion. Step 1. Focus on your niche and pick a specific topic that you're genuinely passionate about. Don't try to cover everything because readers want expertise. When you narrow down your focus, you become the go-to person for that subject, and people will subscribe specifically for your voice. Step 2. Post consistently on a schedule that works for you. Whether that's weekly, twice a week, or bi-weekly, stick to it. Your audience needs to know when to expect new content, and algorithms reward consistency. Create a content calendar so you stay organized. Step 3. Write engaging subject lines that make people actually want to open your emails. Test different styles to see what resonates. Don't be clickbaity, but do be compelling and clear about what value they'll get inside. Step 4. Leverage cross-promotion by sharing your best Substack content on X, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Drive traffic back to your newsletter where people can subscribe. Use link in bio strategies and direct mentions to guide your audience to your writing. Step 5. Engage with your community by responding to comments and building relationships. Ask questions in your posts and encourage feedback. This builds loyalty and turns casual readers into dedicated subscribers who stick around long term.